only things you're gonna make sure if you're buying this cable, try to buy one with a 90-degree angle. So this light will be controlled via Bluetooth. So I'll be using the same app to control my ambient lighting and my footwell lights. Overall, it only took me around 10 to 15 minutes, so it's fairly easy to put it together. So blue, green, red. Hello everyone, this is Saranjit. Ki hala sarande. I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome to my another video. If you follow my YouTube channel, you know I have already installed the ambient lighting. If you haven't seen the video, please go to my channel and check that video. And those lights are pretty sick, and I have done it differently. So if you wanna give it a try, please go and have a look. So these are the lights. I got it from AliExpress. So the 4 lights, these are RGB. Even same with the ambient lighting, they were RGB, so these are RGB as well. So 4 lights for all the seats, and this will be controlled via Bluetooth. So I'll be using one application for the ambient lighting and the footwell lights, so there is no hassle. So you don't have to go through the different application to control the lights. To give the power to these lights, I'm not using the cigarette lighter because I'm already using that for my ambient lighting. So I had to go with the USB, standard USB, and as you know, this car does not have a standard USB-A plug. So I had to buy a separate cable. So that's the cable I bought it from Ali as well. So on this side, this is the USB-C. You know, this car has a few USB Type-C power source. So this USB gonna go into here. And this USB Type-C, I'm using the rear power source. So without wasting any time, let's start installation. So if you do buy one of these elbow shaped USB Type-C cable, so this is how it's gonna work. So you can use either power source. Let's say in my case, if I use this one, so that goes straight in, and look at this, it's pretty neat finish here, and I can hide all these cables somewhere in between the seats. And as you see, the lights are on, and the front one as well, the lights are there. So that's it pretty much. For the rear seats, I'm using the short cable, and for the front seats I'm using the longer one because I'm using the rear power source. I'm not using the front power source. If you're using the front power source, you use the short cable for the front, longer one for the back. I'm starting from driver's side, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick the light first, then I will fix the cable after. So that way I can adjust the cable, so I don't have to worry about the length of the cable. So peel this and stick it up here wherever you want. You know, I'm planning to just stick it up here, just right here, not too far away and not too at the front, not here at all. So this is just a perfect space. So I'm gonna stick it, then I'm gonna hide the cable, and I'll show you where I'm gonna hide it. Okay, so there you go, lights are glued. And when you stick it up here, try to hold it for at least 30 seconds. Otherwise, you know, it might fall after a few days. So at least hold it tight for 30 seconds. This way it will never fall. And also you want to make sure this cable is on this end, not on this end, on this end. So to hide all this cable, I'm gonna hide it under here, not under this one, on the back of that. So behind this panel. So behind this panel, all of it, all the way there. Then I'll show you at the back. So let's start hiding. So okay, so this is the cable. So I'm gonna keep pushing in between here. Okay, so that's the driver side cable. So from here, I'm gonna put it under here. So this panel, just right there. So pull this off a little bit, just like that, and hide it under here. And so that's it, the front seat driver side's done. See, that's the only cable is visible, that's only the piece, that's it. So it coming from all the way here, and I have tucked it under of this panel, and it's coming right here in the middle. So driver seat is done. I'm gonna do the other seat exactly the same way, so I'm not gonna make a video of that. So exactly the same way, and after that I'm gonna do the rear seats. So there you go, that's the back seat. Again, you want to make sure the cable is on this side, not on that side, and hold it for at least 30 seconds and it should stay there forever. So it's pretty simple here. I'm gonna hide all the cable just under the carpet. Okay, so this is the top view. So I'm gonna do the other side, and that's it. I'm pretty much done. I think overall it took me only 10 minutes. So this is it. That's the final look after installation. Just finished installation and I'm very happy with it. It looks pretty neat. So I've changed it a little bit here. I'm not hiding the cables underneath now. So what I've done, so the cables are not under the carpet. So see the cable, I've just put it through this metal frame, and same here on the other side. So that's it. So the light cable in between here, and this is the junction here. So I use the blue tack for now to put it together, and that's the other cable. And so this looks pretty neat. If you don't want it, unplug it, you know, leave the cable under here and put the cable on and the lights on. No cables other than this, but this is hiding in between this stage, so it's not gonna bother me at all. So that's it guys, the installation is finished and I'm very happy with my result. I have added these footwell lights into my old same application which I'm using for my ambient lighting. So I'm just using one app to control all of my cabin lights, which is pretty good. Overall it only took me around 10 to 15 minutes, so it's fairly easy to put it together, and very happy with the result. So let's wait for the dark and I'll show you the magic. All right guys, let's check them out now. Look at them. So the driver's side, front passenger, and the back ones. Check them out. Looks so cool. So as you see, you know, my ambient lighting blue as well, and the new footwell light blue, you know, all same. And I'm gonna show you how to use the app and you can sync them together. If you see 3 dots here, so let's go there. See, all of my lights has connected. I have another light in my garage, so 2 in my car, 1 in my garage, so 3 of them are already connected via my Bluetooth. So let's play with them. So blue, green, green, red, 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 green, green, blue, blue, white, you know, and also check this out, any color you like. So also if you want to go to the styles and style, you can select any option, and check this out. How good is that? They are pretty cool, aren't they? So see, also there are 2 different bars, one for the speed, so you can adjust the speed, how fast you want to flash your lights, and the bottom one is for the brightness. So this is how you adjust the brightness. If you think that green color is too sharp for you, so you can always adjust the brightness. There you go, that's very low. It's not gonna hurt your eyes at all. So it's hardly visible, and that's the highest setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please follow my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.